Here's a life hack for you. Order some alloy wheels that have got a 5-month lead time on them. When they turn up and you're opening the box, they'll feel like they're free. Happy days. Okay, so it's new alloy wheel time on the FN2, and I have gone for some Rotor TFS3s, which are like the Enkai's replica. They're 18 by 8.5J, obviously the 5 by 114.3. And I've gone for some Nankang and S2Rs, which I'm told are horrendous in the wet, but we shall see. So we're getting them fitted to the FN2. I've gone for what's called, I believe, like a gunmetal. To me, they look sort of more like a dark metallic bronze. But I shall show you some photographs. We've got to get them on. Our Jason's going to fit them this afternoon. We'll get them on, and then we shall take some photographs because we're photo whores. And then they've got to get the car over to Andy at Attleborough Auto Centre, just to check everything's okay, because he does all my alignment and setup and stuff. So just got to check that it's all that they're all straight and all centralised, so that we've got no adverse camber or anything like that. I can't see how it's going to make a difference, but it's just a slightly wider footprint, so we shall see. They are rotationally slightly bigger. I know that I've weighed them, and the alloys with the tyres are about 1 kilo lighter than the standard alloys and tyres. So not that that's going to be noticeable at all, but I did do that. I did weigh them. So I shall I've got a photograph of that, so I'll post that in this video as well. So I'm going to run some photographs now in the next part of the video, and then once they're on, we shall get over to Attleborough Auto Centre, get them checked out, and then take more photographs. Excellent. Cheers, guys. So new alloys mean a quick check over at Attleborough Auto Centre to make sure everything's still lined up, camber, all that sort of stuff. Make sure it's all right. Good morning, Jason. You standing in front of that heater? You'll absorb it. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed that video. I would really appreciate you guys letting me know in the comments below what tyres you're using, especially during this winter, because like I say, everyone around me says that the Nankang NS2Rs will kill me, so hopefully they don't. But yeah, let me know what tyres you're using during the winter. Let me know if you're on rotors as well. I'd like to know that, because obviously we're a rotor dealer. So if you've got FN2s on rotors and you don't mind, I'd love to use some of your photographs to help me sell some wheels. So that'd be great. Yeah, so let me know what sort of tyres and wheels you're using in the comments below. Say hello, always comment anyway, because we're giving away hats and hoodies and things like that every month, at the end of every month. All you got to do is like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz. We know who we know who does that. So hello to everyone that's usually in the live chat and stuff. We appreciate it. We appreciate your support. But hope you like my alloy wheels. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you again on the next one. Cheers.